Okay, team. So yesterday we discussed about okay. Yesterday we discussed about what is what we discussed, okay, who are using and what is mainframe system, okay, and advantages of the mainframe in IT industry. What are the challenges or disadvantages with the mainframe technology, okay, in terms of client's perspective. Okay, right. So, so today we will discuss about, okay, so today we will discuss modules in mainframe, in high level, modules in mainframe technology. I'm telling not about our training, overall, all the skills or what are the skills in mainframe technology that I'm going to guide. Okay, so then I'll talk about what is emulator installation. So I'll talk about emulator installation for 5 minutes quickly. Then I'll start with the TSO ISPf module. So this is our objective of today's session. Okay. So what are the modules in mainframe technology team, if you ask me? So TSO ISPf, this is, JCL, VSAM, COBOL, DB2, CICS. Okay. Or Rexx, IMS DB, and assembler. So these are all the courses which I handle, by the way. These are all there with me. On top of that, there are some other skills also are there. As I told you, in mainframe, there is a PL1, okay, and IMS DB, IMS DC, not a DB. DB is a database, DC is a online, okay. Then PL1, IDMS. This is one of the oldest database in mainframe technology. Then what else we have? MSDB PL1 natural, that anyhow is not part of the mainframe. Okay, these are all the modules in mainframe technology. So TSYSP, I don't want to talk about till CICS. Okay, even all not all of them also. So this is a programming language. Okay, so this is programming language. Even assembler is also programming language, which will be used, for system programming and the development purpose, both of them, to develop the low-level applications. And I don't think we use assembler for to develop the end-user applications. I don't think so. IMS DB is again, it is a database. IMS DB is a database. Okay, it is a hierarchical database. And this is again online system. Online system. So I want to tell you here, how many people doesn't know anything about SQL? How many people are new to SQL? I'm talking in general SQL. Okay, create, insert, update, delete, those things. How many of you new to this particular SQL? You whether you know SQL or not.
Basic things know it, and that's it.
Right. So okay, fine. If you doesn't know team, if you doesn't know SQL, at least basics. Yeah, basics are enough, okay, to cover DB2 part. But if you did not hear about database, okay, and what is a primary key? What is a primary key? What is a foreign key? What is a check constraint? And what is a create? What is update? What is delete? What is insert? Okay, and these are all things minimum you should know. You can go to Google or YouTube. There are so many videos on SQL. Okay, so you can learn everything there. Okay, there are so many websites, manuals are there, and videos also many people, because this is the base for most of everyone. Students will learn this, even 10th class +2 standard students also will learn SQL. Okay, it is common for everyone. Everyone should know SQL in our as an IT employee. Okay, so I request to learn this. This is the one as we are going to, okay, you should learn before we enter into the DB2, as simple as. So which means that you have a 2 months time to learn this. Sorry. Okay, right. So coming back to the modules, IMS DB is an online system. This is again a database. It is a database, and this is network database. Okay, network database. We have a three types of databases. There are three types of databases. One is relational database, relational database, hierarchical database, hierarchical database, and network database. Okay, network database. So we are discussing relational database because DB2 is a relational database. Relational database. Okay, so that is all about it. And this is again, CICS is online system. CICS is a online system. And COBOL is a programming language. COBOL is a programming language. The purposes of different each one. And VSAM is a file system. VSAM is a file system to store the data like Notepad. JCL is a scripting language. JCL is a scripting language. We'll talk about what is a JCL, is all about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
No, sorry. I should be on mute. Sorry.
Yeah. So these are all the modules in mainframe team. Okay.
And of course, Rexx is also a programming language, even although I know we won't cover it here.
Yeah, yeah. So Rexx again is a language. It's a programming language which we use to automate some stuff, in mainframe technology. Okay, so these are all the modules. This is the first module in mainframe technology. Uh, if you want to learn anything here, apart from TSO ISPf, if you want to learn anything, first you should know it. What does mean? How to connect to the mainframe server, how to do login, how to do logout, how to navigate from one screen to another screen, how we can switch between screens, and how to create the files, how to copy the data, how to delete the files. All of them, all of them we are going to discuss in TSO ISPf. And we are starting with that. That is the reason we are starting with the TSO ISPf module. Next, I want to tell you a few more things. Okay, in mainframe technology, this is the first time I am teaching this part. I don't cover this part, scheduling and all. So, scheduling tools. In mainframe, we have a scheduling tools, CA7, there is OPC and Control M and OPC Tivoli scheduler tool. Anyhow, people are not using this. It's almost outdated only. IBM Tivoli scheduler tool. So these are all the scheduler tools. Now, Venkat, what is the meaning of scheduling tools? This is your responsibility to go to that. The reason to give this content to you, you can go back, start searching about. Minimum, you should know what is CA7, what is the OPC, what is control M. Start exploring. If still time permits, go to the respective websites and refer the manuals. Okay, refer the soft copy material which is providing by their respective companies. Right. Next, these are all scheduling related tools. There is something called file related tools. Like we have a file manager. This I am covering in our training. Okay, and this I am covering them. And if you know file manager, you can say I know file ID also. Both are same. And there is a something called Ditto. There is some, sorry, not Ditto. Yeah, Ditto only. So these are all two process to see the content of the files, particularly VSAM files. We use these tools. Next, SQL based data DB2 related tools. Okay, DB2 related tools, if you ask me. And we have tools called Spoofy. This I will be covering. And query management facility. So this is V means Venkat is covering. V means Venkat is covering. V here we are covering. This is we are covering. And here we are covering V, here V. Wherever you see suffix V, that is I'm covering. Okay. So the tools which I am not covering, right? Not only by me, 90% of the trainers who are teaching outside, okay, not only by me, even outside, even if you pay 50,000 rupees course fees, training fees to on mainframe, even they don't provide these tools. Okay, CS7, OPC. Okay, CS7, OPC, Control M. These are all commercial tools. Usually vendors only will buy, clients only will buy, they will deploy. So very rare case who can give publicly training on CS7, publicly who can give training on OPC. So maybe you might be getting a training internally within the teams, but not like how you are attending my training, how I am providing the training, like me, whoever is conducting outside, even they are corporate training institute or company also. Even if they are corporate company, they are very registered, very processed. They had a 200 members also, they cannot provide. Okay. So these are all by default you are getting, even you are getting by default this. Okay, that is main, but these are all not providing. So not only this, but okay. So we have a version control tools. So we have a version control tools. And for some of them in our YouTube channel itself, introduction videos are there. I guess CS7 we have it. Control M, we have the video. Okay, you can go and refer it. And coming to version control tool, changeman tool is there, and endeavor tool. Okay, so these are all the two tools. Either one of them tool you should know as a developer, but obviously if you did not work in the development, then how do you know? Okay, it is not possible. So only one option we have. You contact the person who is working on mainframe. Maybe they are your friends. Go to them, go to them, you sit with them, try to get at least one scheduling tool knowledge, one version control tool knowledge. Okay, at least one. You have to see practically, get the manual from official website. Okay, whoever is selling these tools, you can get the manuals from them. So before you meet them, before you meet experienced people who are having access and who can present, who can help you to give the training on this, or training or knowledge, whatever you call. Whoever are ready to do this, please go through manuals first, then you meet your friends so that when they are explaining you, it will be very useful as you already gone through things. Any queries? Okay.
Sir, we are not using this GitHub and Bitbucket as a version control tool in mainframe.
That will become next level of, okay, if you ask me, that part, that is next level. Okay, that is called, everything will come under now mainframe with the mainframe modernization. Okay, we are not covering. Okay, so mainframe modernization, because again here infrastructure is the problem. Okay, infrastructure and the tools is the problem. Okay, so at least if you are in the mainframe system, at least most of the developer will be having access to one of them. Okay, by default. But when it comes to the mainframe modernization, who are working on mainframe modernization, only those people will get a chance to deal with these tools, access and all. If I'm into mainframe development, still I don't get these two tools, access or infrastructure, because whoever is working on mainframe modernization, they will get it. So again, mainframe modernization is not a small subject. There is no one road, one way to say that this is the mainframe modernization. I created a one video in in our YouTube channel itself. I created a video and I uploaded what is mainframe modernization, what type of the mainframe modernization, what we can call with the mainframe modernization. There is a video in our YouTube channel, Venkat, since 2010. Go and check it. But that video is going to help you. That I can tell you confidently. At least you will get some idea about mainframe modernization. Okay, any queries? Okay. So this is something about mainframe modernization team. Okay. So I want to take a 5 minutes session break to tell you some guidelines of the training before I enter into the another topic. Because initially everyone is not joined. Now most of them are in the training. So I want to give some heads up, some guidelines to you team. I sent an email already, but still I want to tell you in the training also. One, whenever you log in and log out, please ping in the group. I guess except one or two people, everyone got an access to join in the respective group. Maybe I would have given for some of them Venkat B, for some of them Venkat C, for some of them Venkat D, for some of them Venkat E. So I would have given at least one. You might be joining in one of the group. There, I allocated 5 to 7 people. Okay, in this group, minimum 5 to 7 people will be there. Okay, so 5 to 7 people are going to use the same ID. So, hence, to know who are using, I don't need to know, by the way, but the rest of the people should know, right, who are using. So, if you inform in the group, then only the others will come to know, others will not log in. As simple as. Okay, it is a request. Later stage, it will be a demand. Okay, it is not a request. It will going to become as a command. So whenever you do login and log out, please ping in the WhatsApp group. Next, that is the first point. Second one, I sent you the ID guidelines. You please follow them at any cost. Second point. The third point, uh, whenever you face some challenge, okay, there is a one experienced person who is providing a server access to us. His name is Sukesh. Okay, his name is Sukesh. He is a senior person. He has more than 30 plus years experience. So please, when you are talking to him, try to talk very politely. because he's experienced person. You might think that he's younger than you, like that. Don't think he's experienced person. Whatever the, because he's the one, if I get some server issue, I have to contact him because I am getting server IDs from him only. Okay. Uh, that is next. And coming to mainframe, what you are supposed to discuss in the group. You are supposed to discuss anything related to your hands-on. If you are not able to connect to the server, or if you have a doubt in the program, you are getting an error in this while you are practicing, anything such as, you can ping in the group, no problem at all. What you should not discuss in that WhatsApp group. Don't discuss about the meeting details. Don't discuss about meeting details and anything related to mainframe meeting details, anything, please ping me separately on WhatsApp or mail me. Okay. Next, the meeting details are not going to change on daily basis. Okay, as I said earlier also, I don't change the meeting details on daily basis. Whatever the meeting details you used to do login today, so we are going to use till TSO complete. So if I am changing the meeting details, then I will inform you 1 day before or 2 days before that. From here we are changing. Okay. So I always request you to check your email as I told you. But anyhow, from today, the frequency of changing the materials are going to reduce, no doubt. From today till you complete the TSO ISPf, I will ensure that I'll stick with only this meeting details. Okay. Yeah, that's all, team. And as I committed, as I told you, let's say every day when Akash, example, okay, when Akash is trying to use ID, same time Lavanya also trying to use. There is a conflicting between two people because both are available only that time and both are trying to do the programs or trying to practice only that time. So that time what I do, I will remove Lavanya from that group. I will add it another group where nobody is using her time, so that you will be able to practice as per your choice, as per your free time. And initial 1 week there will be challenges because everyone is very excited to do hands-on. The days goes, people will start reducing using ID. Okay, when nobody's using ID, you can use 5 hours, I don't have any problem. But only one thing, please ping in the group. Okay, if you have some challenges with the login or anything, please ping in the group. I will be looking into that. Why I am asking to ping in the group? If I don't respond, someone will respond to you, right? Or Sukesh will respond to you. He is also in almost all the groups because he is the provider, he is the administrator. He is the one who is going to help me as well as if I am suffering with server access. But programs I will take care. Yeah. Any queries? Good instructions of the training. And so coming to, if you are not able to attend the session, please drop an email, before training. Let's say if you are not able to attend today, you have to inform me over email, not WhatsApp. If you inform me WhatsApp, no use at all. You have to drop an email to me stating that I am not able to attend, so that I can send you the recorded video to you. If that is a one more, you have to do it. Yeah, so that's all related to guidelines, team. So please remember all the guidelines, whatever I told you. So I am considering that you are acknowledged as you did not respond to my mails.
Sorry, sir. Due to network issue, the last point I have missed. Can you repeat again, sir?
Which one?
Um, Not attend something, sir.
Yeah, if you are not able to attend the session, let's say tomorrow you are not able to attend. So sometime today or tomorrow before session starts, drop an email to me stating that, hey Venkat, I am not able to attend the training.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So since I'm going to do daily record TSO ISPf, after that I don't record. Even if I do record also, I don't upload it. I don't give it to everyone. Okay, just this is for information. Okay, that's all team. I don't want to take much time again on the guidelines. I'll be keep talking 2-3 minutes every day, some guidelines. So that till initial 3-4 days. After that, everyone will be, adjusted with my training and my things. Okay, team. So any queries, by the way? Now, next is very, very important is what is emulator? I know I have to explain the things related to TSO SPF, but still you can understand. What is emulator? Okay. Emulator is a software. Emulator is a software which we use, to connect to, mainframe server. Okay. Which we use to connect mainframe server from our laptop. So we install this emulator software so that I can connect to the server. If I want to connect to the server, what I need on any server, by the way, either in our training or whether you are in the project, the process remains the same. So to connect to the server, we need a mainframe IP address. Okay, mainframe IP address. So which I already shared. So this IP address is going to change the client to client. If you go to another client, if you're working in X client, X project, if you go to Y project, the IP address is going to change. And the port number is also going to change. It might change, it may be same. We don't know. Okay. So these two are required to connect to the server. So this IP address port number of belongs to whom? Mainframe server. If I want to call to you, I need your phone number, right? Same, if I want to talk to this server, I should know that phone number of that system. So that is mainframe IP address and port number. It's like a phone number to communicate with the server, which is located somewhere in the world. It is existing in somewhere else. It's not in my laptop. Okay. Now, where I can get the emulator? Emulator is not my responsibility, by the way. But anyhow, we are getting some open source trial version emulators. That's why we are using it. So we are using emulator called Mocha TN3270. Very, very important. 3270, not 5270. 3270 is for mainframes because there is something else for AS400. What is that? It is something is else is there, AS400. Some people will install AS400 and they will tell that we are not able to connect to the server. Okay, so it will work only TN3270. Is it the only one emulator is there in the market? No. More than 10 emulators are there. QWC, PCOM. Okay, so like that, there are so many emulators are there. Which emulators you are using? Can you ping me in the chat window, team? I can see more than 15 people are using working in this forum. More than 15 or 16 people are working in this forum. Can I know? Can you ping me what emulator you are using?
The Zoom chat or the WhatsApp chat?
Yeah, can you ping in the? Okay, I guess. Okay, wait. Gym chat. No one. Everyone. Okay, now I enable the chat window.
All right.
Actually I disabled it chat. Okay, someone said rocket and very good. PCOM already Manoj highlighted. Roomba. Oh, nice here. I used to tell this. This time somehow I missed it, but yes. What else? Others. Be interactive, okay? Keep responding for my questions, team. Don't sit idle, don't working in control M to scheduler in Eclipse. Oh, good. Can we configure in our laptop? Lavanya, I don't think so, right? Can we configure them?
No, sir. Personal laptop, it's not allowed, right?
Right, because you need permissions for that. X X3270, okay. WC3270, I used it. It is not good environment, okay. WC3270, I guess it's a not user friendly if I'm not wrong.
Fair enough. I mean, I like it, but fair enough.
Yeah,
I mean, I've been accessing, in my previous, in my job prior to my last one, I was using mainframes from time to time, and that was the one I used, and I was quite happy with it. But it's horses for courses. Yeah.
okay. Okay, team. So as simple as these are all the emulators in market, okay. But we are using Mocha. I am not saying that this is the popular or unpopular. I am very flexible and I'm using since 5 years. That's why I'm recommending the same as I know the how it works. Okay, right. Next, I know emulator, right? Let's go to the let me give a 5 minutes. Mainframe, no, Mocha, just to type Mocha TN. See, I told you TN5250 is there. So try to Mocha TN3270 download. Click on it and download it and install it. Installation process is very pretty simple. No lengthy process. Okay, just download from this official website. There is a download here. You can see the download option. Here is a download. Download it and you can install it. So once you are done with the installation, here you can see this is the icon, you will get it. So as I told you, I am using since 5 years. I don't have that today's trial is they're giving a trial version for me. In fact, they are going to give it to you as well as 644. Whatever the code is showing on the top, enter the same code. Okay. You no need to note whenever after 30 days, you will get the similar window. After 30 days, you will get the similar window. What it is showing top to on the top of the temporary key, enter the same top key. Done. Okay. Any other queries? Next. So then after file, edit, click on file, edit, and enter the file name, whatever the name you want, your wish. After that, you please enter the IP address. Enter the IP address, mainframe IP address here. Whatever I gave it to you, I guess this is the one only. The port number and select 24 into 80. Select 24 into 80. Click on apply and connect. So I'll say connect. You will get this window. Okay, good so far. So then how do you connect to the server? How do you connect to the mainframe server? If you ask me, log on. I told you, mainframe is equivalent to Windows. In Windows also, you have to switch on the laptop. Yes, you have to do it. After that, you have to enter the credentials to log in successfully. Here also same I'm doing. Log on, space, you can see the syntax. Log on, space, I'm giving ID. So I'm using a ID called Venkat A. This is the ID only I'm using, not others. Okay. I'm the only one person who is using this ID. Next. So I will enter the password. And one more request, team, don't reset the password. What I'm repeating, don't reset the password. Because some people who are having good experience in mainframe, they'll try to do it. I'm humble request, don't reset it. If you want to reset, pay 1500 to 2000 rupees, get exclusive ID, you can play as you want. I'm happy with that. Okay, only reset, don't do it. Because if you reset, then others will not come to know, right? So that's why I said don't do it. So I entered the password, and you can ensure that DBS proc 9. This is maybe it's not required for today, or it is required. This is mandatory for DB2 part, but still you can type DBS proc 9 and you type here yes, reconnect. Use the tab button to navigate from one editable field to another editable field. So first, what this is procedure is one-time setup. S reconnect is a one-time setup. Every time you have to enter the password. Now hit the enter button. Oh my God, I forgot the password or what? Okay. I forgot this idea. Last 15 days I'm not using. Let me, I know other ID's password, so I'll use it for now. So log on. It can be uppercase or lowercase. It's not a case sensitive. Venkat B. I will enter the password. Now on this, there is no S reconnect. I will go there. Use the tab button, type yes. I enter the password, hit the enter button. So wait, okay, you see that X weight is coming here. X weight is coming here. When X weight is coming, don't do anything. Until you get this keyword ready, wait. So then type ISPf. So type ISPf to proceed further. No, I want to do logout, log off. So you might be using, once your work is done, again you will be landing to this page only. So that time you have to do log off. It can be uppercase or lowercase. It's mixed case, ISPf. I will do ISPf, enter, and enter one more time.
Sir, I think your screen got stuck, sir. Just now, the
Is it,
ISPf.
yeah, is it the one everyone is facing?
No,
Fine,
no, we are seeing the TSO appear. See,
it's fine for me.
Okay, I guess I guess you are the one who is facing, I guess. Check it.
Yeah, oh, sure, sir. Maybe my network issue. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Next. So if you log in here, team, this is called menu bar. This is called menu bar. Okay. If you place the cursor here and hit the enter, you can see some options. Okay. Some options you will be able to see. And if I want to come out of this window, small pop-up window, so type 10, enter. Shut. But still I can do ISPf here. I should have pressed F3. Fine. So utilities, select utilities. So anyhow, you don't do anything with them, but just giving idea to you. So I'll press F3 because I did not navigate it to anywhere, right? That's why it is going always there. Like this thing, anyhow, as I said, nothing to deal this. This is the panel name. What is called panel? So if I go there, we call them panel or screen name. So whenever you go to different screens, you will see the screen name. ISPf primary option menu. On which screen we are? We are on ISPf primary option menu. So this is called command line. What we call? So that is called command line. So I will share the videos of TSY ISPf video with everyone. Just because as this I'm navigating multiple places, multiple commands I am typing. It might be difficult for to remember anyone. That's why I'll share it. And if you see right side, this is the user ID. Venkat B is the user ID. If you logged in with Venkat C, you will get Venkat C. If you logged in with the ABC, you will be able to see ABC. And what time you logged in according to the server time, not according to our laptop time or our time. So terminal, nothing to deal with that. The screen is one. Yes, this is very important later stage. Language, yes. There can be a French, there can be Norway, other programming languages are there on mainframe. It is not only English. And TSO logon, DBS proc 9, nothing to deal with this. TSO prefix, Venkat B, nothing to deal with this. And which MVS version we are using, which ISPF version we are using, 6.0. Okay. And the system ID is ADCD. So these are all the options on the screen. 0 means settings. Okay. 1 view, 2 edit, 3 utilities, 4 foreground, 5 is a batch. Like that, different options are there. So we no need to discuss every option, but some of them we are going to discuss. The time I'll explain a little bit more. Okay. And you can see the bottom of the screen, function keys. So you would have not used F3's if you are new to mainframe technology, then 100% you would have not used these function keys earlier. Because for increasing the volume, screen brightness, system brightness, or to enable the Bluetooth or disable the Bluetooth, increasing the volume, decreasing the volume. For those purposes, that too occasionally, daily once you will be doing. But if you are in mainframe technology, our life is with the function keys. Okay, every minute, every second, every minute, we will be using function keys because to navigate, to go to that window or this window, to go back to the previous screen. Okay, to find the string for every, whatever you want, we have to do we deal with the function keys. Are we using all the function keys? No, we are not going to use all of them. Okay. So next, the command, what we call TSO. Okay, now I'll tell you how to do log off. Okay. It's very important team, by the way. Some people are very lazy. Sometimes I also. You cannot directly close this window. You should not close like this. That is not the right way to do proper logout. It is not at all the best practice, even in the project also. In fact, in the projects also, they will write logout on from mainframe while you are leaving, going for lunch, going for the break. Okay. So in front of their laptop or desktop on their desk, they will write it. So close, that is a best practice recommended by mainframe administrators. Now, how do you log out? On the screen equal X. Anywhere the highlighted, this is called command line. Whatever I highlighted, right? That is called command line. So we can type anywhere equal X. We can type equal X anywhere. So I'll type equal X, hit the enter. Again, we got ready screen, type log off. And without any space, do log off. This is called, okay, proper right way to do log off. Yeah, any other queries? Are you good, comfortable team? Okay. How to do login? Let me explain you the definition of the TSO. Then after, so what is TSO and ISPf? Give answers in bullet points or paragraphs, because it is giving lot of stuff. Paragraphs without any symbols to, yes, without any symbols. This is called instructions. This is called prompt engineering. Okay. TSO stands time sharing options. TSO stands time sharing option. So TSO is the one which is enabling, is the option of the mainframe, which is allowing more than one user to connect at the same time. So take an example. This is the mainframe server. So mainframe user A can connect to this server. Mainframe user B can connect to this server. There is a one person, different country, he or she can connect server. So when this person is logged in, A and B will not come to know. They will feel that they only logged in. Okay, so when B is logged in, B is not aware who logged in and all, until unless if they go and see other details. By default, they will not come to know. So this facility is provided by TSO. This is possible because of the TSO. So TSO is the one which will ensure that, okay, with the help of TSO component in mainframe, we more than one user able to connect simultaneously at the same time. Let's go there. Get the theory. Okay. It is an interactive time sharing environment in IBM mainframe systems. It allows multiple users to log in simultaneously, interact directly without operating system. Next, what you can do, user issues scan commands, run the programs, edit the datasets. TSO provides command line interface to access mainframe resources. It is often used for compiling the programs, running the batch, managing the datasets. Yeah, that's all. We will see some of them later stage. I'll copy this. So by the way, team, so we have a training on this Saturday, Sunday also. Okay. So please plan to attend session on Saturday, Sunday. If you are not able to attend the Saturday, Sunday, I will give you the video of the Saturday, Sunday session so that before coming to the Monday, you can watch them. I know you might be having some personal plans, visit somewhere. Yeah, obviously, most of them are working. There is a chance to plan. We are getting 3 days holidays in India, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So people they would have some plans. You can proceed with the plans, but ensure that you will be watching the videos on daily basis. Yeah, this is something about TSO ISPf. Next, what is ISPf? Interactive System Productivity Facility. It is a menu driven. Okay. It is a menu driven. Whatever you're seeing on the screen, panels. I told you panels somewhere, right? Panel screens. So that is developed with the help of ISPFs. It is provide a structured environment for editing. Here you should remember the commands. Here you should remember the TSO commands to deal things. Here options, menu driven option. Actually, here it is a menu driven option. No commands are required. On the screen, by seeing the options on the screen, you can select it. It provides structured environment for editing, managing the data sets. Okay. Yeah, ISPf includes various panels, menus, utilities, simply navigation operations on the mainframe. Yeah, you will see that. Okay. I don't want to spend much time on it because we are going to discuss eventually later. Okay, we'll spend every day till we complete the training on ISPf panels only. Yeah. Any other queries, Steve? Okay, we'll stop for the day. So as I said, team, we have a training on this weekend, that is Saturday, Sunday, and anyhow it's Friday tomorrow. Sorry, not Friday. Okay, even Friday also we have a training. So because let's finish it TSY SPF quickly. Already we completed 3 days. We'll be having on the weekend also. Yeah. Let me stop the recording, stop the session for the day.